As an employer in Malaysia, you are required to submit your company's CP8D before the 31st of March every year. In this guide, we'll take you through the steps on how to submit your Borang E, CP8D online. First, go to MyTax Hassle website. Log in via identification card number. Click on the Submit button, enter password. Log in. From the homepage, click on Easy Hasil Services, E-Data Presi, E-CP8D to proceed. Enter your E-number and check if it's your company name, then click Confirm to proceed. Double-check your employer profile. Click on Submission of CP8D on the left panel. There are two options to submit the CP8D. The first option submits of CP8D through online form. Manual key in the 20 more columns for each employee's one by one in online form. Choose the year of remuneration. Search. Each individual employee income details need to be filled in manually, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Second, uploading CP8D directly from SQL Payroll is highly recommended. By using this method, you can increase efficiency and eliminate the possibility of human error in the data entry process. To do this, go to SQL Payroll. Under Payroll, Government Reports, choose Print Income Tax CP8D. Select Year. Apply. SQL Payroll software will automatically list out all the amounts for each employee. What you need to do is click on Save to File. Click Upload CP8D. Choose Year of Remuneration. Select File. Select the text file exported from SQL Payroll just now. Upload. Once uploaded, all staff information and amount will fill up automatically. Double-check and update the declaration by employer. Key in employer name, IC, and position. Once done, click Confirm and Submit. Submission of Borang E, CP8D done. That's it. Print the acceptance acknowledgement. Save a copy for your records too. By using SQL Payroll, you can automatically calculate all monthly statutory contributions for EPF, SOCSO, PCB, EIS and HRDF. Generate payslips. And even print EA forms with just one simple click. With SQL Payroll, you can also generate the text file for your employer Borang E CP8D that complies with the LHDN portal. Just click one simple button to submit. In conclusion, submitting Borang E CP8D online in Malaysia can be so easy process with SQL Payroll. Don't risk manual errors and penalties any longer. Start using SQL Payroll to improve your company efficiency and accuracy. Contact us now to get for free demo.